Hi, and welcome to the GoCanvas app tutorial. We'll begin by selecting the GoCanvas app. Here, you'll want to click the refresh button at the top right to make sure that you have the latest version of the app before we begin. After you're done syncing, go ahead and press Signing Sheets. And here, the Palace signing sheet. The date and time will automatically be recorded, so you'll just have to click the classes from a drop-down list. You can also choose to search the classes using the search bar. Once you have picked all the classes you want to teach, click Next. This window will allow us to record team members' names and signature. Add a new row to add a new team member's name. This will automatically prompt them to sign. Once the team member has signed, click Done. And again, add a new row to add a new team member's name. Once again, click Done after they have signed. After everyone has logged in, click Next. This window will allow you to select an instructor from a drop-down list. If you don't see the instructors' names, you can also add them by clicking the plus button at the top right. The format for adding instructors is instructor and then the last name. Once you have selected an instructor, click Next. Here you will be able to review your submission to make sure that the class and date are okay, that the team members have all signed in, and that you have selected the correct instructor. If you need to make a revision, just click back at the top left to make the revision. Let's say we have to add an extra team member. Once you're done with the revision, click Next all the way to the end and click Submit. The final step will be to sync everything one more time to make sure the training department gets all the information. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please contact Juliet at the PE department.